So just remember when you guys get over to these steam vents, what you see in the hole, do not do like everybody else. If them throwing money in here will land you the 17-year curse of nothing but bad luck. These guys will probably want to come back to this island to climb in those 180-degree holes because they just messed up the next 17 years of their lives throwing currency in. That's not natural to this earth.
So you're saying we should throw money in there?
Oh, not. Oh, you'll be a person of virus.
I have to get my rain jacket up.
Now, this one, you guys are able to completely walk around. If you guys just want to get cold, this will warm you up over here. Now, another cool thing about these steam vents is there's other gases that come from it, not just the water. Believe it or not, to be about 1,000 feet down, things get trapped in the water particles. One of them is methane gas. If you were to have a little bit of a combustion, something is to happen. But if you guys are thinking it's going to be like a Michael Bay film where it's going to blow up in your face, that only happens in Hollywood. But I'll show you real fast.
I can
The
feel
first
that.
thing, just a little bit of flame is going to start making a little bit more of a smoke. Just like that, right? Now, if I was to cause a fire, you're going to see something change instantly. That's the methane gas being ignited through the steam. As you guys can see, and that's just the methane. Now, like I said too, if our rock was even more denser, these would all be water geysers, very comparable to the Yellowstone National Park. You'd be able to see, water just shooting out from the earth.
Stand here,
Because it's
Kyle.
so porous, any bit of water just starts seeping through the cracks.
Stand over here.
It's toast.
Yeah.
But we'll do that one more time for you guys.
Is that wild? Look at that. It's the magic trick.
Pretty cool, right? Now I'll show you guys that traditional operating spot. Little tip, heavier it is, most likely